If I had to describe Portugal as a feeling, it would be like experiencing your first love all over again. Portugal was the first European country I visited as an adult, and although I had never been, it somehow felt like I was returning home. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Lisbon, Sintra, and Porto while I discuss some of my favorite things about the trip. Portugal's architecture is absolutely breathtaking, with buildings and monuments still intact. Even the driving roads in Lisbon are tile. Although Lisbon can be crowded and a bit dirty like most major cities, it is pretty impressive with colorful buildings, easy transportation, delicious cafes at every corner, and views for days. In Portugal, it is very easy to find viewpoints overlooking the water, beaches, or any type of nature, which is my favorite part of a trip. Portugal is truly one of those places where anywhere you turn your head, the viewpoint is beautiful. Sintra, an hour away from Lisbon, is a beautiful and magical place. Most people, like myself, go to visit Pena Palace. However, I'd encourage people to visit the beaches, the town, and just experience the views. I went to Cabo Da Roca, which is the westernmost part of Europe, and it had the most amazing views that literally brought me to tears. Lisbon's a really small city, the same way Portugal's a really small country, but there are so many hidden gems in museums, history, nature, food, just so many beautiful sights and experiences, and you don't have to look far, which is great. Another thing I love about Portugal is although parts of the country is city life, most of people's attitudes are slow and relaxed. This really helps the overall experience of the trip feel like a proper vacation. I had friendly and helpful experiences with locals and cab drivers, so the people were nice. If you love water destinations like I do, Portugal offers a lot. Even close to Lisbon, there's some beautiful beaches just a ferry ride away. They're clean, not too crowded, and accessible to stores and restaurants. If you have a chance to visit Porto, I highly recommend it. It's a 3-hour train ride away from Lisbon, and it is stunning for an overnight trip. There's so much art, unique tile work that tells a story, stores, cafes, of course, and beautiful views of the city and the river. It literally feels like you're in a fairy tale. Porto is very unique in a sense that it feels like many different parts of Europe combined into one city. The architecture along the water reminds me of Copenhagen or Amsterdam. The building structures around the city remind me of Prague or Austria, and the crystal clear river feels like Italy. It's all tied together with this gorgeous art that tells a story of Portugal's history. The food is really amazing, the wine is really amazing. I really wish I had stayed there longer than a day trip, so take it from me, Porto's worth it. Well, that's a summary of my Portugal tour. I hope you enjoyed and got some travel inspiration. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.